Wait until page is loaded with Selenium WebDriver for Python. I want to scrape all the data of a page implemented by an infinite scroll. The following Python code works. This means every time I scroll down to the bottom, I need to wait 5 seconds, which is generally enough for the page to finish loading the newly generated contents. But this may not be time efficient. The page may finish loading the new contents within 5 seconds. How can I detect whether the page finished loading the new contents every time I scroll down? If I can detect this, I can scroll down again to see more contents once I know the page finished loading. This is more time efficient.
The WebDriver will wait for a page to load by default via .get method. As you may be looking for some specific element, as at user 227215 said, you should use WebDriver wait to wait for an element located in your page. I have used it for checking alerts. You can use any other type methods to find the locator. Edit 1. I should mention that the WebDriver will wait for a page to load by default. It does not wait for loading inside frames or for AJAX requests. It means when you use .get URL, your browser will wait until the page is completely loaded and then go to the next command in the code. But when you are posting an AJAX request, WebDriver does not wait, and it's your responsibility to wait an appropriate amount of time for the page or a part of page to load. So there is a module named expected_conditions.
Trying to pass find_element_by_ to the constructor for presence_of_element_located, as shown in the accepted answer, caused no such element exception to be raised. I had to use the syntax in Fragel's comment. This matches the example in the documentation. Here is a link to the documentation for by.
Find below 3 methods. Ready state. Checking page ready state, not reliable. The wait underscore for helper function is good, but unfortunately click underscore through underscore to underscore new underscore page is open to the race condition where we managed to execute the script in the old page before the browser has started processing the click, and page underscore has underscore loaded just returns true straight away. Id. Comparing new page ids with the old one. It's possible that comparing ids is not as effective as waiting for stale reference exceptions. Staleness underscore of. Using staleness underscore of method. For more details, check Harry's blog.
As mentioned in the answer from David Cullen, I've always seen recommendations to use a line like the following one. It was difficult for me to find somewhere all the possible locators that can be used with the by, so I thought it would be useful to provide the list here. According to Web Scraping with Python by Ryan Mitchell. IDist in the example finds elements by their HTML ID attribute a class underscore name used to find elements by their HTML class attribute. Why is this function class underscore name not simply class? Using the form object.class would create problems for Selenium's Java library, where class is a reserved method. In order to keep the Selenium syntax consistent between different languages, class underscore name was used instead. CSS underscore select defines elements by their class, ID, or tag name, using the hashtag igname. Class name tag name convention. Link underscore text finds HTML tags by the text they contain. For example, a link that says next can be selected using by .link underscore text, next. Partial underscore link underscore text similar to link underscore text, but matches on a partial string. Name finds HTML tags by their name attribute. This is handy for HTML forms. Tag underscore name finds HTML tags by their tag name. Split uses on path expression to select matching elements.